The Jeep Wrangler is a popular off-road SUV manufactured by the American automaker, Jeep, which is a division of Stellantis. The manufacturing of the Jeep Wrangler is primarily based in the United States, but it is also produced in other countries. Countries of manufacture. 1. United States. The Jeep Wrangler is primarily manufactured in the United States, specifically at the Jeep assembly plant in Toledo, Ohio. This facility is known as the Toledo Supplier Park, where both the Wrangler and its components are produced. 2. Other countries. Besides the United States, the Jeep Wrangler is also manufactured in other countries to cater to international markets. Some of these countries include Mexico and Brazil, where local production facilities exist. Technical data. 1. Engine options. The Jeep Wrangler offers a range of engine options depending on the model and trim level. Some of the commonly available engines include 3.6-litre Pentastar V6 engine, 2.0-litre turbocharged inline-4 engine, 3.0-litre eco-diesel V6 engine. 2. Transmission. The Wrangler can be equipped with either a manual or automatic transmission, depending on the model and engine choice. The automatic transmission is typically an 8-speed automatic, while the manual transmission is a 6-speed manual. 3. 4-wheel drive. The Jeep Wrangler is renowned for its off-road capabilities and comes with a variety of 4-wheel drive systems, including the Command Track and Rock Track systems. These systems provide excellent traction and handling in various off-road conditions. 4. Body styles. The Jeep Wrangler is available in different body styles, including a 2-door variant, Wrangler, and a 4-door variant, Wrangler Unlimited. The 2-door model offers seating for up to 4 passengers, while the 4-door model can accommodate up to 5 passengers. Other information. 1. Generations. The Jeep Wrangler has undergone several generations of redesigns and updates throughout its history. 2. Features and customization. The Wrangler is known for its customizable nature, allowing owners to personalize their vehicles. It offers various features and options, such as removable doors, a fold-down windshield, different roof options, and a variety of interior and exterior styling packages.